The stock market can be intimidating. It's a whirlwind of numbers, charts, and trends, but don't let that scare you away. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can navigate this exciting world. We'll break down stop loss, budgeting, and financial targets. These tools will empower you to make smart decisions. Think of them as your financial compass. They'll guide you through the market's ups and downs. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? Let's dive in. Let's talk about one of the most important tools in your trading arsenal, the stop loss order. In simple terms, a stop loss is like a safety net for your investments. It's an order you place with your broker to automatically sell a stock when it reaches a certain price. Let's say you buy a stock at $50 per share. You could set a stop loss order at $45. If the stock price drops to $45, your order is triggered, limiting your loss. Stop loss orders are crucial for managing risk. Think of it as a form of insurance for your portfolio. By setting stop losses, you're making disciplined decisions based on predetermined exit points. Use stop loss orders wisely to protect your hard-earned capital. Before you even think about buying a single share of stock, you need a solid budget. Trading with money you can't afford to lose is like playing with fire. It's a recipe for disaster and can lead to significant financial stress. Start by assessing your financial situation. How much disposable income do you have after covering your essential expenses? Only invest what you're comfortable losing. Remember, the stock market is inherently volatile, and there are no guaranteed returns. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Your financial goals will determine your investment timeline and risk appetite. Once you've determined your investment budget, stick to it. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the market, but discipline is key. Avoid chasing hot tips or investing in speculative assets beyond your means. Section 4. Financial targets, charting your course. Imagine setting sail on a ship without a destination in mind. You'd drift aimlessly, unsure of your course. The same principle applies to trading. Without clear financial targets, you're likely to make impulsive decisions and lose sight of your long-term objectives. Setting financial targets involves defining both your profit goals and your acceptable risk levels. How much profit do you aim to make from your investments and over what time frame? What level of loss are you willing to tolerate before exiting a position? Having well-defined targets helps you stay focused and avoid emotional decision-making. It allows you to make rational choices based on your predetermined plan, rather than reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. Remember, your financial targets should be realistic and achievable, aligned with your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. Regularly, review and adjust your targets as needed to stay on track and adapt to changing market conditions. By charting your course with clear financial targets, you set yourself up for long-term success in the stock market. Section 5. The power of discipline. Consistency is key. Discipline is the cornerstone of successful trading. It's about sticking to your plan, even when emotions run high. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement of a bull market. Conversely, during market downturns, fear can paralyze you. Discipline is about staying the course and sticking to your budget. Remember, consistency is key. The stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent effort over time leads to success. Celebrate small wins and stay focused on your long-term goals. Section 6. Conclusion. Navigate the market with confidence. Congratulations. You've now been introduced to 3 powerful tools for navigating the stock market: stop loss, budgeting, and setting financial targets. Master these concepts and exercise discipline to trade with confidence. Stop loss orders protect you from significant losses. Budgeting ensures you're investing within your means. Financial targets provide clarity and direction. The stock market can be a powerful engine for wealth creation. Embrace these principles and commit to ongoing learning. Knowledge is power. Invest wisely. Timing is crucial. Be patient and strategic. Stay calm and focused, and you'll navigate the market with confidence.